Here I have Google Pixel 6a, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and then just like what you have to do is to hold down shutter button. Like if you're confused, but like when I hold shutter button it just records video, I'm going to show you what you have to do then. So you just hold it, just like take the burst shot of anything you like. So here I have like 3 seconds video, but you can tap on 3 dots here, and here you have shots in this video. So here you can review every like single shot you have in this video and then export it and save like one shot only that fits you best from this video. Just like this, so easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.